What's going on, everyone? Joshua Kirk. Tim Williams is next to me as always, and this is Lumiere Log 06. So these Lumiere logs are a weekly look into the startup called Lumiere. We're a digital content creation company here in Nelson, and we just thought it would be an awesome idea to document our journey from day dot all the way through, and hopefully this is something cool that we can look back on and see where we've come from. So this is week 6 into the life of Lumiere, and today we have just launched softly. We have just done a soft launch online.
We have just launched. Can you say a soft launch, please?
So the date is June 1st, 2018, and this is officially our soft launch of Lumiere.
So yeah, a soft launch essentially is just us being able to launch our content and our name into the digital universe. One thing that we're really focused on investing in is our own brand, and making sure that we're constantly investing in our own brand so that we can show people what we're doing is something that's working and can be added value to any other company that's out there.
Our brand Lumiere is the perfect case study for a Lumiere product. We're essentially saying that we can build your brand through photography and video content, and if we can't actually produce content for ourselves and grow our social platforms, grow our reach, then how can we expect to tell you how to do your content? That's quite a vulnerable statement, because from the get-go we're saying we're going to invest into growing our brand, and you can be the judge of whether that grows or not. We're in a position where we can make the most of all the social platforms, all the tools available at our fingertips to grow our brand. So
just want to walk the walk, talk the talk.
Exactly. Having said all that, we've already started working with a few brands. One in particular that we want to chat about today is Homely New Zealand.
So Homely is a rapidly growing ladies fashion brand here in Nelson. So we did a campaign for them that was essentially just showing their clothing as awesome traveling attire, and we shot it at sunset and had some cracker weather, beautiful light. We were able to actually introduce some video content on this campaign, and it's going to be really exciting to see how valuable video is going to be for Homely and her brand. The video content is going to be looping on a TV in store, and then we've got a couple of, I think 2 or 3 videos that are going to be rolled out on social platforms.
Perfect. So if you want to check out Homely, there's a link in the description to this video. The last thing we want to chat about today is all the things that it takes to get our business to where it is 6 weeks later.
Some of the things that we can tick off here is our business name, our logo, Google Business registration,
emails, your social channels, get a website designed and online. That is probably the biggest thing so far for us.
Business cards, bank accounts, accountants, contracts, pricing, internal vision and strategy.
Online subscriptions is a huge one. For a digital company like ourselves, there are so many things that we subscribe to online.
A lot of it's for internal processes, our workflows, monitoring all our tasks, and also our delivery platforms as well. So that's Lumiere Log number 6. If there's something in there that's helped you, that is awesome. If you're just coming along for a bit of entertainment, then that's probably even more awesomer.
Hey, thanks so much for checking us out. This is Lumiere Log 06, a weekly look into the life of Lumiere. Stay tuned for the next one, and if you have any thoughts about how we can improve these logs, how to make them more beneficial for you, love to hear from you. Comment, like, subscribe. See you later.